Best free keyword research tools for SEO in 2021. Hi guys, today I am telling you about best free keyword research tools that you can use to develop your SEO in 2021. So let's get started. The first tool we have is called Google Search Console. Now, Google Search Console is a tool that helps you measure your site's search traffic and performance. It also fixes issues and makes sure that your site shines in the Google search results. So how Google Search Console works is that it will actually find your website or your blog on Google and help you get it on the first pages. So we know that whenever somebody searches something and types a keyword, they do it on Google, right? So Google Search Console will help us to develop those. You can see right here that this is how Google Search Console optimizes and enhances our site. AMP monitor, test and track your AMP pages with Search Console tool and reports. Mobile usability, test and improves your site's mobile usability with customized reports. Rich results, your recipes, jobs or other structures are results rich in results. So when you use Google Search Console for your website and you analyze your website with Google Search Console, then it will definitely bring more traffic towards your site and you will be able to get more traffic and your SEO will increase. The next tool we have is called Google Ads. Now, Google Ads is mostly to run your business and run ads, but it is also very SEO friendly tool and helps you improve the SEO of your website. How does Google Ads do that? You can see right here that you can actually, search for the words that people are actually looking for on Google. For example, if your keyword is if you run a blog and you run a fashion blog, so your keyword is maybe trendy or your word is best clothes online. So you will be able to optimize your website and look for the words that are actually trending on Google with the help of Google Sites, and Google Site will actually help you run your business as well, because what happens on Google Ads is that you will be able to know your competition as well. When you will type, it will actually give you an overall result of what's happening on Google and how the Google Ads are actually working and what is trending, what is out there, what are people searching for. Once you know that, you will be able to increase the SEO of your website as well, and that's what we want traffic and we want our SEO to increase and improve. The next tool that we can use is called Google Trends. Now, I personally like Google Trends a lot because on Google Trends it actually gives you an idea of what is trending in different regions of the world. It will give you, for example, if you type a word, a keyword, a topic, then it will give you an overview of what is the position of that word in different regions of the world. For example, if I type the word music, now they have actually given me an overview of this word, that how many times this word was trending and when and where this word was trending in the last couple of months. You can see right here, and it's the location right here. If I want to change the location, it will definitely change as well. So this is pretty amazing. If I go to the same word and I change my location, let's go to United Kingdom, and now you will be able to see the same word music and how it actually, how it was trending in Wales, in England. So you can see right here, this is amazing, right? So this way you can actually know that in what region your word will be trending, and you will know that what are the keywords that you're going to use in that specific region, because maybe the word you are going to write is not trending in your region. Maybe there's another word that is more trending, so you will go with that. So that's pretty amazing. That's why I love Google Trends, and it is one of the best SEO tools out there. Next, we have a tool called Answer the Public. Now, it's a little different from the ones I mentioned before because it does involve around keywords, of course, but it also has answers to the questions, like different questions that people are asking. The Answer the Public will give you an idea that what are the questions that are trending, what are the questions people asking nowadays about that product, and you will be able to know that, will able to know the question because it's the question that people actually ask. If they're looking for a product, if they are looking for a blog, they will type something like, okay, how does this happen, or why, or what. So it's usually the questions, and it will help you know the questions and then answers. For example, let's type something here and we'll figure out that how this works. Okay, let's go with the same example that I used earlier, the word music. I will simply click on search. Okay, so you can see right here that I typed the word music, and now they will give me this overview of all the questions that people are asking. Look at this. This is so cool, right? So what's happening here is that this is the word that I searched for, music, right? Now they have given me all of these different words. For example, can, what, when, why, which, will. So now what is happening is I have the word music. I want to use this in my blog or whatever in my website, right? It's a music based website. So I will go with when. So there's a question, when music started, when music makes you cry, when music gives you goosebumps. So you're saying these are when music hits you. So if I go with the word will, so they're asking, will music festival happen in 2021? Will music ever be good again? So I can actually, now I know that what people are actually looking for, right? So now I have an idea and I can actually manipulate people, not manipulate. It's a very different word, but I'm saying is that I can actually attract people to my website by answering these questions, and I will be able, you can see not just only questions, there are different prepositions as well that people are actually using, different comparisons that people are actually using for the word music. So I can use all of these questions, these keywords, and I will be able to, attract and increase the SEO of my website with Answer the Public. So that's why I think you can see right here, one of the best tools out there and completely free. So it's amazing. Do check it out right now. Next, we have a tool called Rank Tracker. It is an ultimate keyword research precision rank tracking tool in which you actually track different keywords that are trending in different regions and what are their analysis and they actually compare it to other websites as well. So that's a good thing about Rank Tracker, that you will be able to get an idea that what other websites are doing and what keyword that you are going to use has already been used by different websites, and you can actually integrate other tools as well. So you can track the position of an ultimate number of keywords for an ultimate number of projects. So that's pretty amazing, and it's completely free as well. So you can increase the SEO of your website with Rank Tracker very easily. Next, we have a tool called Keyword Sheeter. Now, Keyword Sheeter is also a keyword research tool where you will actually find the different keywords that are actually trending and that are actually people are actually using, and you can actually figure out that what keywords you should use in your on your website and will it bring traffic or not. For example, enter keywords one per line. Let's just say that I go with the same word and I go with, so you can see right here it is called Google Sheeter because the results of your keyword, they're actually in the form of sheets. It's actually gives me the vibe of Google Sheets, how we work on Google Sheets. So it actually tells you that what words are trending and what keywords you should use, and according to regions and stuff like that. So it's a pretty good keyword research tool that you can actually avail. They have a free plan also, but if you want to purchase, then definitely the features will increase as well. All you have to do is just log in and register, and then you can go with unlimited keyword research right here on keyword shield. Next we have keyword tool Dominator. Now keyword tool Dominator is used for Amazon, Google, YouTube, eBay, Etsy, Walmart, and Bing search. So it is for different websites as well. For example, Amazon or YouTube or eBay as well. So it's all involved, not just Google. For example, you have an Amazon store or eBay, or you have a YouTube channel. So you will use this tool in order to know what words are trending out there. For example, because whenever somebody is doing online shopping, for example even on Amazon, they can actually go to Google first and type something, or go to Amazon and type something for that. So we want our website or store to be up there when they type that word, and we can actually use keyword tool Dominator to figure out that what words are trending. For example, you have face masks, and you know that you're selling face mask on Amazon or anywhere, and maybe the word face mask is not trending anymore, and it's more like face medical mask. So you're using the word medical mask, and but the word face mask is more trending. People actually type the word face mask in order to buy them. So you will get an idea that what are the words you should be using for your Amazon. And if you have a YouTube channel, you should know what keywords will get your video up there when people type any of the words. So that's what we want, and you can definitely go ahead and check out keyword tool Dominator if you are a business owner and if you want your website to be out there and attract audience. Then we have a tool called LSI Graphs. In LSI Graphs, you can actually generate keywords and figure out that what keywords are good for your SEO and marketing needs. For example, if I type the word music here and I click on generate, then I will be able to generate this. Okay, you can see right here that it has given me an idea. It also has all of these other platforms as well. So you can see how well developed this website is, that Google Music, it has given me that this is the CPC for this word on Google Play Music sign in. You can see this is the CPC for this, volume for this, open YouTube Music, Google Music Store, YouTube Music. So you can see right here, it has also told me that what is the CPC each keyword. So that's actually pretty amazing. So you can have this, you can type any word and it will give you a whole graph and chart of what's the trend of this word, what's the volume, what's the CPC, what's the comp. So it's an amazing website which is completely free, and you can do the keyword research right here on LSI Graph as well. So yeah guys, I think this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you. Just go ahead and check out all of these tools when you are doing keyword research, and you will be able to find good keywords and definitely increase the SEO of your website. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.